Hello HMTV viewers, this is Vinila, Digital Marketing Head, HMTV Digital, and today we have with us Rajshekhar Garu, the immediate past president of CREDAI, and he has many achievements to his name. So let's speak to him today. Sir, how do you feel being a part of the jury of the prestigious HMTV Business Excellence Awards 2025?
Yeah, first of all, we had to congratulate HMTV for organizing this kind of initiatives and events. And more of like what I can see, the Excellency Award, maybe recognizing some what are the merits they have and all that. That always motivates them. And for them for doing the better what they have done so far. And apart from that, it also helps the others in what kind of sectors are available, what kind of other things are happening across the city or whatever it is. Then along, they can also start thinking that why can't they do? So it is more of like giving inspiration to the younger generation, future generation, and it is also like recognizing the efforts of the people who are putting their maybe a lot of efforts into that, make them successful, and maybe indirectly they are contributing to the economy of the state and economy of the state, and a lot of good things happen moving forward with that. And these kind of initiatives always it really helps a lot.
So you have been a very integral part of CREDAI. So how do you see the development taking place in Hyderabad right now?
Yeah, that part, for that part, I am happy to associated with this Business Excellency Awards and all that. Majorly, construction industry is different from other parts of the like industry or IT or manufacturing and all that. But they are the employment generators and indirectly helps the real estate in providing the employment for them and indirectly providing the housing for us. That will be help a lot. So for that part, the way Hyderabad evolved for the last 10 to 15 years, starting from 2004 it started. But we can say last 7 to 8 years, the way it evolved, the way the Hyderabad progressed, being a cosmopolitan city when compared to any other cities and all that. And apart from that, it is becoming a global city kind of concept where the multinational companies are coming up and the way they are investing over here. Today now we are seeing the many people who are from GCCs, they are coming here, joining here. I know this showcases the potential of Hyderabad for the coming years, where a lot of opportunities have been created by the governments time to time. And for that, it's like some places we have only IT development and some other places only industries. But we have IT is there in one way and industries are also happening, manufacturing units are all happening, and we also have the life sciences, pharma sector. And these are the things, even though pharma is 33% of the vaccination has been supplied from India across the world. So that way, we are progressing in such a way. We are setting a benchmark for the other cities to look after. So that way, Hyderabad's real estate, depending on them, it's picking up in a better way.